Transferring money from Venmo Credit is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, make sure you have the Venmo app installed on your mobile device and that you are logged into your account. First, navigate to the Venmo app and click on the menu icon, which is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, select the Transfer Money option or the Manage Balance option, depending on your account type. Next, you will be prompted to choose the amount you want to transfer from your Venmo Credit to your bank account or debit card. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, taking into account any minimum or maximum transfer limits that may apply. After entering the amount, select the destination for the transfer, which can be a bank account, a debit card, or a credit card. If you are transferring to a bank account, you will need to provide your routing and account numbers. For debit or credit card transfers, you will need to provide the card details. Once you have selected the destination, review the transfer details to ensure everything is correct. Check the amount, the destination, and any applicable fees. If everything is in order, confirm the transfer. The transfer may take a few business days to complete, depending on the type of transfer and the destination. You can track the status of the transfer in the Venmo app. It is essential to note that transfers from Venmo Credit may be subject to fees, especially if you are transferring to a credit card. Additionally, transfers to debit cards are usually instant, while transfers to bank accounts may take longer. To avoid any issues with your transfer, make sure your Venmo account is verified and your bank account or debit card is linked correctly. Also, be aware of the transfer limits and any applicable fees to avoid any unexpected charges. In conclusion, transferring money from Venmo Credit is a simple process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and being aware of the key concepts and best practices, you can ensure a smooth and successful transfer.